Dead bird. Touch it up. Hey, hey. No. Dead bird. Bird in here. Bird in here.
You see it?
No, I don't. So he's in here someplace. Yeah, it's right in here. Dead bird. He's a good boy. Right here. Dead bird. Calm down. See, right now he's concerned about that bird. He's got his head in the air.
Yeah.
He might not really be using his nose at all.
Uh-huh.
That's why we got to, hopefully, dead bird. Hunt him up. Dead bird. Dead bird, Ralph. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Okay. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Good boy.
He smells it.
Dead bird. Oh, yeah. Dead bird. See, now it's making sense to him. So now we can say that down the road.
There it is. He's got it.
He's got it.
Good boy. Good boy. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Right here. Come here, buddy. Good boy. See, a little bit. There you go. Bring it up. Good boy. Come on, Ralph. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Better get it. Got it? Good boy. Good boy. That's what. Come on. Can't leave it. Good boy. That's what you got to do. Carry it. Carry it. Come on. Grab hold of it. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. We'll walk this a little bit to get it picked up good.
Okay.
Good boy. Mine. Mine. I had some of your hair, didn't I? See that?
Good job, Ralph.
Good job.
Good
I didn't
boy.
get a mark on that bird over there.
Oh, I don't think it was that far
You
away.
went right that far?
Uh-uh.
Good boy, Ralph.
I didn't expect that bird to come up.
I had no idea he was over there.
Me neither. I thought, yeah.
Hey, Rally, doing a good job there. He says, okay, let's go, let's go.